Ready to customize your Windows 10 experience? I'll guide you on how to change the startup or shutdown sounds. Stay tuned for a quick and personalized way to enhance your system sounds. Right-click the Windows desktop and select Personalize. Select Themes from the left panel. Click on Sounds. Check the box beside Play Windows Startup Sound. Click on the OK button. Press the Windows +R to open the Run dialog box. There, type Regedit and press Enter. Navigate to hkey_current_user/app events/event labels. At this point, the next step is to activate the startup and shutdown sounds. Find Windows Logan and double-click on Exclude from CPL. Modify the value data from 1 to 0. Hit the OK button to save it. After doing that, check if your sounds are working properly. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.